My mother's on trial for killing my father, and I want to hire you.
500K.
She needs to come home.
The dream continues to haunt me, old friend. It always starts with a journey to a distant land. There I find a city in flames, streets choked with corpses, unthinkable destruction. I witness senseless slaughter, brother against brother, pure hatred. The dream continues to haunt me, old friend. Executions. It always starts with a journey. Suffering surrounded me. To a distant land, my turn comes. It burned my eyes. There I find a city in flames. Streets choked with corpses. Unthinkable destruction. I witness senseless slaughter. Brother against brother. Pure hatred. And then, executions, agony, suffering surrounded me, continues to haunt me, old friend. My turn comes. It burns my eyes, journey, break my bones to a distant land. I awaken in terror. There I find a city in flames. No one left to stand against them. The dream. There I find